on, Mika.
Go on.
Go on, Mika. Where's she gone?
Mika.
Go on, Mika.
Go on, you go.
Go, Mika.
Sliding across the ice.
Icy!
Go on, Mika. Stop running away from me, though. Can't record you if you run away. Go on. Is there not a stick or something we can throw?
Oh, she's just looking. That would be so funny if there was a bird and it flew away. Mika, go get the birdies. Birdies, Mika. What's that? Birdies. Go get them.
Mika.
It's like so
Stuff
sliding.
is going on.
That's quite funny too. Mika, sit. That's quite funny. Can I?
Oh, thank
you. Mika, get away from the water.
Hello, Mika.
Mika, this way. Go on, Mika. Oh no. My father being stupid. Yep, I'm still recording it. Right, ready? There goes the dog. Can't see nothing. And here she slides back.
Mika, Mika.
It'd be easy if I could zoom in on this thing. But can I?
Oh, good.
Just. Where are you going about? Want somewhere I can actually like lean in forward without pulling. That's funny, by the way.
Mika,
Yeah, the dad went on the thick ice to go and get it. How stupid is he? Mika, sit! Mika, sit! You're so pretty. Oh, there goes the speck. That's funny, by the way.
Come here, Mika. She's still loving it.
Come here. Mika, drop it! Mika, good ghetto. You're so pretty. Why? That's funny, by the way.
She knows now she's slowing down before she gets there. That's enough now.
She'll slide into the wall house. There we are. Say goodbye to my gorgeous doggy. And there's my ugly brother.